Asian girl.
Guys, can you hear me? Am I muted? Can you hear me? Hello? My camera is okay, right? I don't think my camera is wrong. Am I lagging? My internet connection is okay, right?
What also clap?
Education, then, beyond all other devices of human origin, is a great equalizer of the conditions of men. Horace Mann, 1848.
Hyperactive.
Hello everyone! Hello! Hello, I'm Wai Sheng. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Hello! Ooh! Qi! 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 Wait, that's a funny joke!
Selfie god.
Education, then, beyond all other devices of human origin, is a great equalizer of the conditions of men. Horace Mann, 1848. At the time of his remarks,
Misophobia.
education, then, beyond all other devices of human origin, is a great equalizer of the conditions of men. Horace Mann, 1848. At the time of his remarks, I couldn't.
Sleep god.
Education, then, beyond all other devices of human origin, is a great equalizer of the conditions of men. Horace Mann, 1848. At the time of his remarks,
Self-discipline.
education, then, beyond all other devices of human origin, is a great equalizer of the conditions of men. Horace Mann, 18.
Gamer.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! You have been slain.
Talkative.
Hey, where do you go on holiday? How about it? You have a good time? I've been go there once, but only for one day. Really? Where do you stay? Maybe next time we can go together.
Education, then, beyond all other devices of human origin, is a great equalizer of the conditions of men.
Congratulations and happy Convo everyone.
Congratulations and happy Convo, guys.
Hello, congratulations and happy Convo everyone.
Congratulations and happy Convo everyone.
Congratulations and happy Convo everyone.
Happy graduation!
Congratulations and happy Convo, guys.
Congratulations and happy Convo everyone.
Hello guys! Congratulations and I hope you all have a happy convocation.